these are my insight or explanation about this topic. So first, gender roles and socialization. This theme explores how individuals learn and internalize gender expectation from young age through family, education, media, and culture. Socialization shapes how people perform gender roles, reinforcing norms that dedicate what is covered appropriate behavior from men or women. It highlights the way these rules can limit personal freedom and perpetuate inequality. So, the gender roles socialization. Second is the stereotype and gender norms. So, stereotype and gender norms overs. So next, guys, stereotypes and gender norms. Stereotypes oversimplified and fixed ideas about gender norms which prescribe how individuals should behave based on their gender. So third is power relationship about patriarchy. So patriarchy is a control referring to a system where men hold primary power and dominant in rule of political leadership, moral authority, and control property. This course investigates how power relationship are embedded in institutional and how they maintain gender inequality. So ang fourth, gender-based violence and discrimination. This theme covers the persuasive issue of violence and discrimination based on gender idea, domestic violence, sexual harassment, and institutional bias. It addresses the cause and consequence of just violence, emphasizing the rules of power, imbalance, and cultural tolerance abuse. So next, LGBTQIA+, inclusion and intersectionality. The course expands its analysis to include diverse and sexual orientation and gender identities. It promotes understanding of challenges faced by LGBTQI communities, including social stigma, legal discrimination, and lack of representation. And the last one is gender equality and empowerment. This final theme emphasizes the importance of creating a more equitable society. Empowerment is a frame of a both personal, collective process involving education, political participation, economic independence, and legal reform. The course encourages active engagement in promoting gender life,